Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be reviewing and unboxing the Adidas NMD XR1s. This is the tan version or something, I don't know. I'll find out in a second. So yeah. So it's a plain black box. It's a lot darker than you're seeing right now, but my flash is on. And the camera is actually getting overexposed for some reason. Let me try to find my flash. There. Yeah, you can't really show you because there's not much I can do. So yeah, let's have a look. The box is a bit damaged for some reason, I don't know why. It's not a big problem as long as the product is fine. Got the 3 stripes here, lines. You can feel that as well, it's really nice. Box is black itself. Adidas logo there, 3 lines carry on there. Okay, the brand with 3 stripes, I like that. I like this engraving as well, that's pretty cool. Same on the other side as well. Okay, so this is the NMD XR1 PK. So PK means Primeknit, by the way, if you don't know. So the colors are, I don't even know, the colors aren't even on there, but yeah, this is UK size 10, which is my size. If you're in America, it's 10.5. I think that's Denmark or something. If I'm wrong, please correct me. So Denmark probably size 10. I don't know what F is, probably France, but yeah. China, Japan, yeah, they got some weird size things, but yeah, let's go ahead and open this. Bloody hell, look at that, guys. Whoa, it's left some, oh, that's engraved in this side as well. I like that, very nice. Okay, so this is the original packaging. You got the, just get up close, you can see the Adidas logo there in highlight color, which is nice. Let's go ahead and open this. Ooh, 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 ooh. Look at it like that. Just that ultra boost. Okay, now guys, very nice. You got that spongy ultra boost type material there. I like that. Let's go ahead and open this. Wow. So as you can see already, very reflective tab there as well. Probably some hidden under here. Yep. Oh, one side's reflective on this side, but that side, oh my god, the laces are reflective too, guys. I really like this shoe already. Look at that. And look at that. Thumbs up, guys. Thumbs up. I already give it 10 out of 10. Just on the design and the reflectiveness. Very good for safety as well, I guess. Whoa. I didn't realize it's so reflective. Normally when I review an Adidas shoe, I can't see the reflectiveness of the flash going onto the shoe. I can actually see it reflecting off camera as well, which is pretty damn good. So yeah, let me get this one out now. So this is one of the shoes. NMD PK Originals size 10. I'm gonna take these tags off in a second. Damn, look at these shoes, guys. Move this out of the way. Look at these shoes. Okay, so I'm really liking this so far. It's a pretty damn cool shoe. Alright, so we'll start off from the back. Primeknit. Oh, well, I don't think that's what it's meant to say. Okay, mit den 3 stave lamar. Oh, I guess you can loosen that and tighten that. So it's something to do with the 3 stripes, Adidas brand basically, pretty much. Okay, and then you got this very reflective heel tab, which is very nice. I like it. Not seen that before. And it's a, oh, you can't see it, guys. I wish you could see it. Oh, you might be able to see it. So there's actually sparkling bits in this, so that's really nice too. It's like a glitter, so I like that a lot. And then this is the ultra boost. Look at that. Look at that. You got these little dots here. I'm not sure what that's for, but pretty cool design feature, I guess. It's very nice and clean. You got this normal tab here, which you always have on the XPLR series, NMD series, all that stuff. And then you got this one here as well. This is very soft. Oh, liking the texture on this. Texture is very key on these shoes. I like them. So here you got some sort of barcode, authentication code, I guess, or whatever model number. Okay, so this side is not reflective. Then if I bam, look. So one side is not reflective on this bit here. So that's a really nice texture too. I'll just show you up close what the texture looks like. It's like a mini football field, I guess. Okay, and then this is not reflective, but yeah. It's a nice good design feature, there too. And now we'll have a look at the laces. Wow, look at that. This is reflecting. Let me take off my flash. If I can do that. No, I don't think I can. There you go. That's without the flash, guys. As best as I can do it by blocking it with my hand. So yeah, that's the, oh, let me zoom out. Okay, so that's the laces itself. Okay, we'll have a look at the top. This is not reflective, it's nicely done though. I like it. So the main shoe itself, let's look at the texture. It's Primeknit, and I like the colouring of it and how it's designed and stuff. You got the darker brown here and the light brown. It really complements each other. Very, very nice. Let's have a look. This is quite, that's rubbery and nice too. Have a look at the insole. It's the normal Boost, yes, Boost technology. We've got this thing here. Let me just check it out. Okay, so this has got Boost technology and the Boost, what do you call it? The Boost insole in for you. So that's pretty cool. So it doesn't have the regular one in, so that's really nice. I like that. Okay, so we're gonna have a look at the bottom now. So okay, so we've got the regular, this is like the XPLR pretty much, the bottom exact same as the XPLR and the NMDs. They all have the same similar bottom. Got the normal things there. These are a bit sticky, just slightly. I guess it's to grip better. Adidas logo there, brand with his stripes in different languages. Some grooves here. So this shoe is not gonna have much grip, because I already know it, because this design is very flawed in terms of grip. That's the only downfall of this design of shoe, I guess. The bottom of it, the tread of it. So yeah, let's go ahead and get the other shoe out. Then I'll do on-feet review for you guys. Tell you what they feel like and stuff, how they fit. If you need to go up or down a size or anything. Wow, that might be my thumbnail, guys. Fucking hell, guys. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and try these on now. Alright guys, I got the shoes on. Just show you like this. Let me just sort out my attire. So these are the shoes itself. Wow, look how nice they are. Sorry about my attire. It's pretty much 4 AM at the morning right now. Trying to sort myself out. So this is what it looks like. It's actually very easy to slip into. You can actually see your toes and stuff, which is a bit of a letdown. That's because it has no caging on it. It's literally just a fabric. Same with the back here. Ooh. Same with the back here. Now I like these shoes, but the only thing I don't like is that you literally can feel the flow. You got the Ultra Boost, but you can actually feel the flow too. So it's a bit of a downfall, I guess. And they're too thin, I think. This caging here is too thin. I literally feel everything. Very weird. I don't know how to explain it, but you'll understand if you have a pair. So yeah, I do like them though, so I will be keeping them. Probably. Let's see. Yeah, I'll probably keep them. They're very nice. I like them. So yeah, look at this size, guys. Yeah, this is perfect fit as well. So size 10.5. You can go up a size if you want, but this is definitely a good fit for me. It's a bit loose. Well, not loose, but very easy to slide in and out of. So I'd say it's a bit loose. It's not a very snug fit. But I wouldn't go down a size, and I'd just keep at your normal size because it's very good fit. So good. Alright guys, let's make a thumbnail now. Alright guys, this is gonna be my thumbnail or something like that. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new. Check out my other clothing reviews and stuff, shoe reviews, and I'll see you guys next time.